Door Dashers, people across the world, all my YouTube family, happy Valentine's Day. Hey, my very first dash. Let me grab it. Come on now. My very first dash, y'all, I picked up from Peel and Herb. I'm doing downtown. I ain't never did a downtown area before. Very first dash is $10.25 at the minimum. And it's a $3 base pay, you know, until a certain time. But, yeah. Peel and Herb, pick up these flowers for somebody and deliver them to them. And look what they come in, y'all. Just a basic jar. You know what I'm saying? That's sweet right there. So, my very first delivery is dropping off some roses. Let me go drop these flowers off, and we'll get back into that in a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So, happy Valentine's Day. We out here dashing. You know what I'm saying? Making people's day more happy. You know what I'm saying? And more less stress. You feel me? So, I'll holler at y'all. Alright, let's see where we're going, y'all. We have some apartments. 52.
Your destination is on the right. The customer requested you leave the order at their door.
That means it's that way, y'all.
Additional instructions are provided in the Dasher app.
So, yeah. I completed that delivery. And I don't know if it was it was delivered to a dude, a little white dude. He was cool. But yeah, we headed to this next dash. You know what I'm saying? 1450. You know what I'm saying? Like 5 miles. But we over here in Cherry Creek now. See, I'm in a whole different area than I'm usually. So, and I got an appointment at 1 o'clock for oil change for my truck. So this might be my last dash. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, until I'm done with my oil change, and then I'm gonna check the market out on this side. You know what I'm saying? Cherry Creek and downtown area. You feel me? So stay tuned on what I might do with them roses if I get a chance. You feel me? But yeah, we dashing. We about to be at what was that? Oh, what was that payout? Let me see what I got. $10.25, wasn't no extras. So we about to be at 14.
Head northwest on East Cherry Creek,
75.
South Cherry Street.
Shut up. We about to be at 24. Like 50.
Mile, turn right onto South
and
Colorado
like
Boulevard.
only been like 20 minutes. Like seriously. I just logged in at shit like 11:50. It's 12:11. Something like that, man. But let's get it though. Alright, y'all, so this DoorDash lady needs a jump. And since these motherfuckers got me waiting 15 minutes, I'm gonna give her a jump. It's only right.
You got battery cables, baby?
I sure do. I wouldn't have pulled up on you if I didn't. I got you. I didn't know if I was gonna be grabbing my order and gone. They told me I gotta wait 15 minutes. I might as well help you.
45 minutes. That's why my battery.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Take a look at that. I'm saying let it run for a good minute and then try to turn it on.
All right, baby.
Hey, man. I'm just out here trying to do my part, you feel me? Now, she was in there asking while I was waiting, but I thought I was going to be in and out. You know what I'm saying? These people telling me I got like 10, 15 minutes to wait. She been here for 45 minutes with her battery dead. So, hopefully, I can get her going so she can get out and get her some money. Probably need a new battery too, I don't know. But, yeah, I'll let y'all know when I'm done doing what I got an appointment at 1, like I said, so we'll see what's up after that, y'all. Hey y'all, I just waited 30 minutes for this cookie order from this place called Crumble Cookies. There are like 15 dashers up in that mug. I mean, they waiting outside, they inside. Hey, the place is popping, but it takes too long to be waiting on, you know,
right
one
Colorado
order.
2 North, South Colorado
Now,
Boulevard.
This order I got is for 14 bucks, like I said, but golly, I could have did 2 orders in that length of time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm only headed 6 minutes.
Colorado 2 North for 1 mile.
6 minutes away, 5 minutes, 1.9 miles to drop this off. And then I'm coming right back here. Look, we about to pass it, y'all. Look, right across the street. This is what's so ironic about what I'm going to Mighty's to get my oil change. Woo! You feel me? And then after that, I'm gonna get back out here and get some of this Valentine's Day pay. You dig? Because there's a lot of tricking going on out here, and I'm trying to get a piece of the pie. You feel me? Yeah. Stay tuned. Faceman TV. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button right now. Just if you watching this, smash the like button. That's all I ask. Holler at y'all in a minute.
Your destination is on the left. Hand it to customer.
7488. I don't know if y'all can see over there. Back up. Park like this. Which one is this? Justine. Which one is Justine? That's here underneath those. I'm done. The night's over. No, I did not just walk in the door. I actually just shot a video, but it was too dark. I know my lighting's kind of messed up, but I gotta deal with it. But yeah, I've been back since 10, 15, something like that. But hey, man, we just gonna end this on this note. Valentine's Day was cool. It was cool. We did about 180, and what was so crazy about the 180 is that I only made $24 in my first, what? I went in at 11:37. Well, that's what time I started. But 2 hours for 28 bucks. Man, I was at this cookie crumble place. Oh my goodness, for like 30 minutes. Yeah. Then I had an appointment right across the street from the cookie crumble place to get my oil change. So I'm like, okay. Before I even got there, I'm like, bam, it's right over here where I need to be. Drop the order off, come back, drop the other order off. No. Y'all seen what happened when I got back in the truck, but it is what it is, y'all. But anyway, $28. That's what it was for my first dash. But then, you know, when I got my truck back, I went back at 4:33. That's what time my Jeep probably got done around 4. But yeah, I did 146, you know what I'm saying? 16 deliveries. Yeah, you know. If y'all can see that, you know what I'm saying? Is that focused enough for you? But yeah, 146 plus the $28. You know what I'm saying? That equals 180. You know what I'm saying? 180 with the, what's that total deliveries? 19 deliveries? I'll be busting they shit, man. I mean, I'll be, you know, getting my grind on. That's what that means, for y'all don't know. So, I've been telling myself I'm going to start trying to do $200 days. You know what I'm saying? I was close to it. But last week, Saturday and Friday, I did 278 or 276 Friday. And then I did what's 134 and 77? Whatever that is. $134 and $77 is what I did Saturday. And then Sunday, Super Bowl, $28. What it was slow over here. It was slow, and I just logged out and went to go eat. But yeah, last week was cool. Men lie, women lie, men lie, women lie, men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. How many days? How many days? Oh, how many days? Monday, Tuesday, no Wednesday, no Thursday, because it was my birthday. If y'all didn't know. Yeah, the 10th, February the 10th was my birthday. You dig? This week, I think I'm gonna hit me a rack before 7 days. Before 7 days. Countdown starts now, you know what I'm saying? It's Monday. I already did 180. I'm gonna make it happen. Y'all just watch. Sunday, y'all watch what Sunday look like. Yes, sir. So, hey, smash that like button. If you out there dashing, do your thing, man. Just don't accept no bullshit ass orders, and don't be driving all far for any order. I don't care what it is. Because you drive far for $20, you're gonna miss out on 40. I promise you. So, smash that like button. Y'all know what it is. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. It's time to drink a cold one and relax. Y'all take it easy. Peace.